Hello everyone, this is Priyanshi and today I am going to tell you about sad but the truth about the animals. Animals who are the best friends of the human being and are the best creature of the God. Through animals we also can make our work easy. Just like a dog can be a security guard, an elephant can be the best puller or through which we can extract or pull out the heavy things which we as a human being cannot, etc, etc, etc. We as a human being must be very thankful to them, and they do not even demand a single penny from us. They just want our love, our attraction, our attention, and nothing else. But instead of providing them with love, care, and attention, we human beings are providing them with torture. We are not humans because our inhuman behavior, due to which we cannot be called as humans, we are the sadist people because these animals are harmless and we are the harmful creature in this whole world, due to which these animals got affected. I'm going to tell you about the circumstances in which these animals faces cruelty from we human beings. Firstly, in Karnataka, a woman took 8 puppies of a bitch and smashed them and to teach their mother a lesson. Secondly, 34-year-old man who raped a bitch. Thirdly, a man poured acid over a bitch and her puppies in UP. A pregnant goat got raped again by 8 men in Haryana. Fifthly, a man poured a hot tar over a dog who is sleeping in the street. See how shameless are we? How brutally a man or a woman or any human can do this? Are we still a human? Is there a gap between a human and inhuman things? We are not a human being. My friend, we are not human beings. We should be shameful or on our act what we are doing. We are not human beings. We should not be called as human beings. Not only this, a very much famous and a viral source in Kerala, in a village of Kerala, where a pregnant elephant ate pineapple, which was not a pineapple, which was an explosive item, due to which she the elephant and her baby got died. Another case was a dog whose mouth was covered with tape was found by activists in Thrissur district. Original data of 2019 report shows that from 2016 to 2018 in Kerala, the men-animal conflict has been rising from 6,022 to 7,229 cases. Is there any law to protect these animals, just like human beings? Yes, my friends, Constitution also provides these animals to be protected. Not only humans but also these animals. And they are as follows. Constitution of India also provide protection for these animals. Article 51A, Clause G, which says that it is a fundamental duty of every citizen of India to guard the wildlife. Article 48, it talks about the obligation to arrange agriculture, animal husbandry, and to take steps to improve the breeds and prohibiting from the slaughter of cow and calves and other mild animals. Article 48A have obligation to protect, safeguard, and mend forest and wildlife of the country. According to the 7th schedule of the state list, which says that state has a power to preserve, protect, and improve stock and to prevent animal diseases, they have to enforce veterinary training and practices. Fifth part is talking about the constitution list, which provide the power to the center and the state to prevent the animals and birds from cruelty. Other laws which talks about the prevention and protection of these animals are Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, which objectify to prevent the animal from unnecessary pain and suffering. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972, who safeguard the wild animals, birds and plants. Dog Breeding and Marketing Rule 2017, Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Regulation of Livestock Market Rule 2017, Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, Care and Maintenance of Case Property of Animal Rule 2017, and many more such laws are also prevent the rights of the animals. So now talk about the punishment for these offenders. Section 38 Clause J of Wildlife Protection Act 1972 imprison the person who is offender up to 3 years or a fine up to 25,000 or both. Section 11I of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act 1960, which abandoning of an animal, leaving it in a situation when it suffers from pain or pain due to starvation or thirst, is a punishable offense. Section 428 and 429 of IPC shows a rigorous punishment to the offender for about 2 years or fine or with both. Do you feel these laws are matching with the reality? Of course, my friends, they are not matching with the reality, because if they so, the most offenders must have stopped these kind of brutality and cruelty against the animals. So, if the gap between these two will be fulfilled, then these offenders must have been thanked not twice but thrice times before doing any act against the animals. What can we do? What kind of amendments can be made in these acts? Is there any need to make amendments? Yes, my friends, I'm going to tell you about these amendments. IPC must be revised with the time increased, as the amount of rupees 50 must be increased. Making more laws would not be the option. Making the punishment more harder would be the solution. We must support the NGOs like PETA to support them and stand up with them so that these animals could get a better life just like a human being can. People should not be the key supporter of any one of this mishappening. I'm not talking about that we are the one that we are doing the cruelty against the animals, but we are supporting them. If we are seeing a person who is beating a dog or any animal around us, by just seeing and let it be. We must report as soon as possible against these offenders so that these offenders must get a best punishment so that they cannot repeat these kind of activity again and again. Be the one whose minimum or small effort can make a huge change in the society. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video, and the credit for this video goes to Priyanshi Bardwaj, who was in this video, and the content was given by Akshita. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, press the bell icon before going, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, join us on Telegram and WhatsApp. The link is given below in the description box. Bye bye and see you in the next video. Bye.